Namaste. Welcome to Chitrakuta Samskrita Learning Series. Let us learn about Vartamana Kalaha in today's class. A verb that refers to the present time is called Vartamana Kalaha or present tense. Vartamana Kale धातवः प्रस्तुतक्रियां तत्समयगतिं बोधयन्ति. In present tense, dhatavaha means verb roots indicate the action in progress that is still going on or the action that is to be done in the very next moment. Among dashalakaraha, latlakaraha is used for vartamana kalaha. So, in present tense sentences, dhatavaha would get latlakara forms both in parasmaipadi and atmanepadi. Let us see the format when latlakara gets ting pratyayaha. Here, in vartamana kala latlakara means in present tense, dhatavaha would get ti taha anti, si thaha tha, mi vaha maha in parasmaipadi, whereas te ite ante, se ithe dhve, I vahe mahe forms in atmanepadi. Let us see the same with few examples. If we take pat dhatu, in parasmaipada, prathama, madhyama and uttama purusha, format will be pathati, pathatah, pathanti, pathasi, pathathah, pathatha, pathami, pathavah, pathamaha. In atmanepadi, पठते पठेते पठन्ते पठसे पठेथे पठध्वे पठे पठावहे पठामहे. Now let us frame few sentences for this pat dhatu. In prathama purusha means he or she, बालकः पठति. बालकः पठति or बालकः पठते in atmanepada. Here singular form is used. बालकः पठति, सः पठति, एषः पठति, कः पठति, बालिका पठति, सा पठति, एषा पठति, का पठति. Same we can apply for atmanepadi. बालकः पठते, सः पठते, एषः पठते, कः पठते, बालिका पठते, सा पठते, एषा पठते, का पठते. So here ekavachana form is used and it is in prathama purusha. Now in dvivachana, balakau pathatah, tau pathatah, etau pathatah, kau pathatah. Similarly in feminine gender, balike pathatah, te pathatah, ete pathatah, ke pathatah. Same can be applied for atmanepadi dvivachana. Now let us see bahuvachana. Balakaah pathanti, te pathanti, एते पठन्ति, के पठन्ति. बालिकाः पठन्ति, ताः पठन्ति, एताः पठन्ति, Kaha pathanti. Here, in the place of pathanti, we can also apply pathante atmanepadi form. In all these sentences, pathati pathate, pathatah pathete, pathanti pathante, these will not change according to any gender. Kriyapada form will be common for all genders. Now let us do sentence for Madhyama Purusha. Madhyama Purusha is you, means second person. Tvam pathasi. Tvam pathasi athava tvam pathase in Atmanepadi. That means you are reading. This is in singular. In Dvivachana it would be yuvam pathatha or yuvam pathethe in Atmanepadi. That means you are reading. It is in dual form. Yuyam pathatha, yuyam pathadhve is in Atmanepadi. That means you are reading. It is in plural. So Madhyama Purusha form will be pathasi pathatha pathatha in Parasmaipadi. Pathase pathethe pathadhve in Atmanepadi. Now let us see Uttama Purushaha. Uttama Purushaha means first person. That is me. Aham pathami in Parasmaipadi, aham pathe in Atmanepadi. That means I am reading. It is in singular. Avam pathavaha or avam pathavahe. It is in dual, means we both are reading. Vayam pathamaha, vayam pathamahe. We are reading. All of us are reading. That means it is in plural. So in Uttama Purusha sentence in Parasmaipada it will be aham pathami, avam pathavaha, vayam pathamaha. Atmanepadi it will be aham pathe, avam pathavahe, vayam pathamahe. Let us see few more examples of Vartamana Kalaha, Latlakara. Saha dhavati. He is running or he runs. Chhatraha shalam gacchati. Student is going to school or student goes to school. Balakaha kridanti. Boys are playing. Kaha nidrati. Who is sleeping? Shunakau bukkataha. Two dogs are barking. Mala hasati. Mala is smiling. Shikshika pathayati. Teacher is teaching. Chhatraha pathate. Student reads or student is reading. Saha satyameva brute. He always speaks truth. Points to remember in Vartamana Kalaha. It says the Kriya means action in very next moment or action in progress. Example, Adhuna eva aham gacchami. Now I am going. To say presence of a person or object, sentence should be in Vartamana Kalaha. Aham agato asmi. I have come. Saha Mumbai Nagaram adhivasati. He stays at Mumbai. Smottare lat. With the usage of sma avyaya, the sentence would mean past tense, but verb kriyapada would be in वर्तमानकाल form. ग्रामेऽस्मिन् पुरा एका वृद्धा वसति स्म. There lived an old woman in this village. So here sentence is meant for past tense, but Kriyapada vasati is in Vartamanakala form, Latlakara form. Vane ekah vyagrah vasati sma. There lived a tiger in a forest. Here also sentence is meant for past tense, but Kriyapada vasati is in Latlakara form, that is in present tense form. Here I conclude today's class. Let us learn one more Lakara in coming class. See you again. आगामि वासरे लृट्लकारं पठिष्यामः. पुनर्मिलामः.